A healthy battery starts with the right charger. The 5-amp charger includes one 12-volt battery charger and maintainer, a 65-watt USB-C GaN power adapter, battery clamps, and a user manual. Attach the charger clamps to the battery terminals, ensuring the red clamp is connected to positive and the black clamp is connected to negative. Press the mode button to cycle through the available charging modes. STD mode, or standard mode, is for traditional lead-acid batteries, included flood or wet cell batteries. AGM mode is for AGM and gel batteries. LI mode is for lithium batteries, also known as LFP batteries. Selecting the correct mode helps optimize charging performance and battery health. Plug the included 65-watt USB-C GaN power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to the charger. The charger automatically evaluates battery condition and begins charging. If a weak or deeply discharged battery is detected, smart low-voltage recovery may initiate before normal charging begins. After the battery reaches full charge, the charger automatically switches to maintenance mode to help keep the battery charged during storage.